The date of issue of notification would be for the first phase 5th of November and for the second phase 10th of November. For making nominations, it would be 14th November for phase 1 and 17th November for phase 2. Date of for scrutiny of nominations would be November 15th and 18th respectively. Withdrawal would be November 17th and 21, and date of poll would be 1st and 5th, with the date of counting to coincide with Himachal Pradesh on 8th of December. And the entire process would be completed on 10th of December. So this is what is the schedule. And lastly, as we always say, media is the biggest ally of the Election Commission. तो आपके माध्यम से मैं सभी वोटर्स से ये अपील करना चाहता हूं कि वो इस चुनाव में बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लें, निष्पक्ष तरीके से लें। अगर कहीं कोई उनकी समझ से इरेगुलर एक्टिविटी या पार्शियल एक्टिविटी है तो उसको सी विजिल के माध्यम से जरूर हमें खबर करें, एंड वी विल इंश्योर दैट दे गेट द आंसर्स इन 100 minutes. थैंक यू वेरी मच.